Got my hands on the new 2-in-1 magnetic charging stand from Satechi. Let's dive into it on the next Mix of Tech. Hi guys, welcome to Mix of Tech. Today I've got my hands on the newly announced since 2021 CES, the 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charging stand from Satechi. This is a dual wireless charging stand which is designed for all iPhone 12's and AirPods Pro. It's ultra sleek and designed with a modern touch. Let's talk to the specs. This works for only iPhones with MagSafe. Right now that's iPhone 12 line. That includes everything from the mini to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I have. This uses USB-C. It charges at 7.5 watts for the iPhone and 5 watts for the AirPod Pro. It offers enough clearance so that your iPhone 12 Pro Max can allow for the AirPods to charge. For the wireless charging stand in the bottom, you can use any AirPods with a wireless case and it'll charge your phone just fine. So far, I'm really excited. This is a great piece for your desk. It offers one cable to connect, 2 devices to charge. It offers a little bit of flexibility to hang your phone horizontally and vertically. That's it for this video. If you've liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe.